All right, hey YouTube. So after, I guess it's been a while now, but we are finally gonna get started on the Honda 450. This is gonna be kind of a slow project, kind of bit by bit, but we're gonna make a bunch of videos about it. So right now, this is really about the first thing we're gonna do. This is Christy's new four-wheeler, like I think everybody knows. So the plan, we are gonna go white plastics. So what we got first, this is a 2005, right there. So it's a 2005, and we were reading a lot about swapping to the 2008 newer gas tank. Kind of mixed reviews on if it's possible or not, so we're just gonna do it. So we bought one. You wanna show it, Christy? So we bought the 2008 gas tank with the cover. Really nice. And then we got, show what's in the other box there. We've been waiting for this from Partzilla. We bought, this is the piece for under the gas tank. And then we've got a whole bunch of all the 2008 newer mounts. So we're hoping by putting all that new stuff on, it'll fit this frame. Then another problem, we're not gonna leave this, but this frame's got a little hooey right here. So instead of trying to weld that over or anything, I made this piece right here. So this will get welded. We're actually gonna cut out that old tube and weld this new piece right in there, and it's already pre-threaded. So I don't know if we'll get this piece done tonight, but we're gonna work on the gas tank right now, and that's gonna be this video. So this will be kind of like step by step. We're not gonna record the whole time, but we'll get the tabs and everything put on the gas tank, and then bring it back when we go to set it on, and really kind of show if this fits, because I know a lot of people are interested in doing it. So keep watching, and we'll be right back. All right, so first thing is we forgot to buy the bolts that hold the brackets on. So Christy's taking those off right now. And then we'll put the 2008 brackets on the new tank. So we'll let her get that done real quick. All right, so here we go. Christy got the lower mounts put on. Those are all bolted down, Loctite, everything. Another thing we did is we went ahead and we put the subframe on, and we've got the lower heat shield. This is 2008 heat shield on, so it's all snapped into place. Go ahead and you want to put that on, Christy? Yep. I got mine bolt out. You got yours?
Yeah.
I'm started. Started?
Yep.
Okay, so the front ones are started. We'll just leave those loose for now. We've got the little pull straps here. Hooked on. I don't have this bracket, it's not tight yet, but you see it fits. Yours is on, Christy?
Yep.
All right, so we're gonna try to put the back plastics on, just make sure everything lines up. So let's just set this down here real quick. Ready? We'll put these back bolts in just loose. I'm just running mine down a ways because I think they were sticking up before. So these are not the plastics that we are going to use, as we said, but these are the 05 plastics that came with this, that we're not using them. Everything's going to get swapped out to white, but we're just trying to look at like body lines and stuff right now, which this isn't bolted down all the way. It's still loose on here, so it moves around a bit, but already that looks pretty decent. Throw that seat on there and see if it fits. So far we're pretty happy. Just knowing that this gas tank fit is a big deal, because it's pretty expensive to buy that tank. Yeah, you just gotta push it forward. You like really tap it forward hard. Here, okay. All right, so there we go. Seat hopped on. Besides these shitty old black plastics, I mean, I think it looks fairly good.
I think so. I think it fits good.
I think it would all come together more once we got all the bolts in and everything. Like, see, like this little tab here isn't quite down all the way, stuff like that. These plastics are just kind of all goofed up. But you can see like right here, that all has to bolt together. This looks good. So the back plastics and the gas tank are what we were most worried about, and I'd call that a good fit. You think?
I think so.
So far I think we're gonna call that good for a video right now. What do you think?
Yep. So we get some more stuff going.
Huge relief already knowing that that fits. So on another video we will probably go ahead and have this cut off, and we'll start welding that new bumper mount on there, just so the frame looks nice. We're gonna buy a gusset kit for this too. I already started welding up some spots just for powder coat. Yeah, a lot to come, so stay tuned, subscribe. This thing's gonna be a pretty cool machine if it comes out the way we got planned, so I think you guys will like to see it. But stay tuned for the next video, and we might be putting an engine in here real soon. So see you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.